Hello everybody, I was at Goodwill and I found a really good find for just 20 bucks. In this case, should be the full package for a Dell projector. Now, let's take a look. Now, I've already tested it out and everything, and soon here after I unbox it, I'll show you some clips I made earlier of me testing it out, and I took some photos of me using it outside in a very large space. You know, where projectors will sometimes start to lack when you start using a larger screen. But this guy is a pretty good beast for its size. Maybe small, but don't let it fool you. This guy does really well. It has zoom. The lens, it's focused. It doesn't really have many minutes on the mercury lamp. Usually there's a built-in timer. It's only registered 3 hours of use, so it's barely been used. So there's a built-in kickstand, so you can raise it to like whatever level you want, like that. And it also has feet. And it kind of like changes the angle of it. So built in, it has USB remote for like an application if you're using a computer. VGA in, HDMI, S-video, video in, audio out, audio in. This thing has a lot of good ports on it. Really nice for an older projector. It's a mercury lamp, so this thing gets extremely hot. I measured once up to 300 degrees, so yeah, be warned, they get really, really hot. There's a nice button control panel here with select and power. There's also, you can't see it here on the camera, but there are indicators like lamp needs to be changed and it's overheating. Built in, it came with a nice long, I think it's like an 8 or 10 foot power cord. It's really thick too, so nice gauge, Velcro. It came perfectly wrapped like this too. It also came with an HDMI cable. I think this is a 6 foot one. And it also came with a VGA cable, which I don't have with me because I'm actually using it right now on a server computer. This is a really nice remote. It even comes with a laser pointer. Let me just demonstrate that here for a second. It has a laser pointer. It has the same kind of control panel layout as the projector. It also has like audio, and then you could change the V. This is a very nice remote. It kind of keeps the same aesthetic as the projector. As you can see by the plastic here, the glossy. I don't like the glossiness. As you can tell, it shows every fingerprint, but keeps the same aesthetic otherwise. So yeah, this is a very nice projector for just $20 from Goodwill. And here is a clip of me testing it out and showing you guys. Okay guys, we got the projector out again for a better show of it. Here's the remote in action. We got the little laser pointer here. I got my old satellite out this time, and I have it as an extended display. The fan is at full speed. This is what it sounds like. And you can see the glowing lamp right there. It's really bright. And I finally got the display. I got the colors adjusted. It looks really, really sharp. Like you can see how good it looks right now. Surprisingly, the camera isn't really picking up any of the swirly colors. But yeah, this Goodwill projector is doing the trick pretty good.